arbitrationagreements.org. There is a quiet revolution underway, a shift from crowded courtrooms to a process that is faster, cost-effective, and confidential. Welcome to the world of alternative dispute resolution. Before we reveal this revolution in detail, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save your business a great deal of time and money. In the United States alone, over 600,000 civil cases were pending in federal courts at the end of last year. A daunting statistic, isn't it? But what if we told you there is another way? A way that can make resolving disputes less tedious, less costly, and more efficient. This way is arbitration. It's a process where disputes are resolved outside the traditional courtroom setting. Here, a neutral third party, the arbitrator, hears the evidence and makes a decision. The decision can be binding, much like a court decision, or non-binding, providing guidance to the parties involved. Now let's talk about the benefits of arbitration over court litigation. First and foremost, arbitration is generally faster than court litigation. Did you know, on average, arbitration cases are resolved in under 8 months, while court cases can often take over a year or even 2 to complete? Secondly, arbitration offers cost savings. Legal fees, court costs, expert witness fees, and discovery expenses can be significantly reduced or even eliminated in arbitration. Thirdly, arbitration provides confidentiality. Court proceedings are public record, but arbitration allows parties to resolve their disputes privately. And finally, with arbitration, you have the flexibility to choose an arbitrator with specialized knowledge relevant to your dispute. This is something you cannot guarantee with a randomly assigned judge in a courtroom. Over 90% of the Fortune 1000 companies use arbitration, and the trend is growing in other sectors too. After all, why would you wait for a date in court when you could be resolving your dispute in a more efficient and private way? To learn more about arbitration, head on over to arbitrationagreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Countless companies and individuals utilize our services to handle claims in a controlled manner through cost-effective solutions. If you're interested in doing that as a business, we are standing by. Successful companies depend on arbitration to save money. You're paying one service per case instead of experiencing the uncontrolled expenses of a standard lawsuit. That's the key reason why arbitration is so popular. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Which advantage is your favorite? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.